Hi, I'm Jenny, and I teach Hatha Yoga, Vinyasa, Kundalini Yoga, meditation, and Yin Yoga. So on this channel, sometimes you'll get a blend of all of those. There'll definitely be some classes that are individual of those different lineages, types of yoga. And I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what things are giving you big challenges, and I can make a video that addresses that specifically, whether it's something in the body, if it's something in your life, some subconscious block, something going on emotionally, and I can make a video with a meditation that specifically addresses it, or a sequence that addresses it. So subscribe below. I don't know which way it is. Hit me up, let me know, send me a message. Sat Nam. Namaste.